Welcome, everyone, to episode 4 of the Wild STEM SAT series, where we're covering SAT math. This is episode number 4, the second part, starting from question number 6 on practice test number 5. And don't worry, like I said in the last video, we are going to go back to practice test number 4, but I just want to start off with the beginning sections, the beginning 10 questions of the practice test number 4 and practice test number 5. This should be the last of that series, the little segment. Starting off with question number 6. The graph is a system of linear equations shown below. The solution is x, y. What is the value of x? So again, we know that the solution should be where these meet, and that is at point 4 and 1. So our answer happens at coordinates 4 and 1, but we are specifically asked for the x, and we know that the x is the first number, so the answer is 4. Going to question number 7. Let me erase this. Okay. It does not want to be erased. That's fine. Sorry. Okay. What is the range of the 7 scores shown below? So mean, median, mode, and range are like 4 of a group. So what range means is the difference between the largest and the smallest number in a set of scores, for example. So the largest number is 52 and the smallest number is 23. Thankfully, this is already ordered for us, but sometimes it might not be in order. But you still have to find the smallest and largest. It's not always going to be the first and last. So we need to find the difference, or the numbers between 52 and 23. So 52 minus 23 equals 29. Yeah, sorry, 29. So that would be the range of these scores. Question number 8. Line M is parallel to line N, and line K intersects both lines. Which of the following statements is true? So let's start by looking at statement by statement. The value of x is less than 145. So the way that this works is this line is these are equal if they're across from each other, then those are the same. So these are the same and these are the same. For example, same with these and these. But I don't want to draw all those lines, so it'll get confusing. So let me just stick with what I have here. So x would also equal 145 because they're across from each other. So this would be wrong. And we know that b is also wrong because value of x is equal to 145. Here, the value of x is equal to 145. That is true. And the value of x cannot be determined. That's false. It can be determined. So the answer is C. Question number 9. The equation x plus y equals 1440 represents the number of minutes of daylight between sunrise and sunset and x is the minutes of daylight, which is x, and the number of minutes of non-daylight, y, on a particular day. So if it has 670 minutes of daylight, how many minutes of non-daylight does it have? So we know that x plus y equals 1440, and we know that x equals 670. So 670 plus y equals 1440. So the way that we solve this is, again, subtract 670 at both sides, and we have y equals, that's about 770. So y equals 770. Question number 10. Scott selected 20 employees at random from all 400 employees at a company. He found that 16 of these employees in the sample are enrolled in exactly 3 professional development courses. Based on Scott's finding, what is the best estimate of the number of employees at the company who are enrolled in exactly 3 professional courses each year? So because of a sample size, if a sample size, we're assuming it's representative of the total. So we know that 16 of the 20 would be the same as x, the total out of 400. So 16 out of 20 can be simplified to 4 over 5, which is equal to 80%. So we need to know what 80% of 400 is. Well, we know that 80% of 100 is 80, so 80 times 4 is 320. So that would be our answer. Thank you for tuning in to another Why That STEM SAT video. And yeah, this is just be the introduction, going over the first 10 questions of SAT practice test number 4 and 5. Thank you for watching.